Dear students, the slides in this video contains the next aspect of the CNC machines, that is measuring systems. As in case of CNC machine, the marking or measurement of jobs or the workpieces is employed, and it's important also as a type of electronic system is utilized in this, that which will provide the movement of slide, how the slide movement taking place to locate the spindle or slide also in exact position and comparison, etc. For that purpose, the measuring system, electronic type measuring system, is adopted in this. So why this is required can be, say, few points are there. Say for monitoring of slide and to compare the position of slide and spindle, as I said, and for orientation purpose, and then of course measurement, and so to avoid wear and tear of tools, cutting of tools or breakage or damage, etc. And if any misalignment is there, then also to remove that, or if any deflection, etc. And to avoid interference or say disturbance caused by the swarf and cutting fluid. Swarf in the sense chips of the materials what the processing is going on. So here there are two types are there, how the measuring system say carried out, as one is direct measuring system and second one indirect measuring system. So in the figure you can see here the the direct measurement, so that which is exactly located or touched with the slide and the measurements are taken, as the name indicates. In case of first one, direct measuring system, which is suitable for linear measurements, as the name indicates. So directly it is measured. So the backlash errors in the access drive, they do not affect the measuring process. So a good accuracy is obtained in this case. Another figure is in the same image, you can see indirect measurement. So in case of indirect measurement, the slide position is determined by the rotation of ball screw or pinion or drive motor, and the system is much more convenient, the indirect measurement. and cost wise also it is less. So in this, some extra or additional, say, accessories you can call, or features or sources are used for the measurement, sensors, etc. So, but the backlash, torsional deformation and all may creep in this type of measurement, but of course they are reduced by using the various compensation features. So generally used uh, in case of indirect measuring system are encoders and resolvers, which are also known as feedback devices. So the difference also you can see in the measurement system as direct and indirect. So in case of direct, displacement is measured directly on the slide, whereas this is through some device or motor, drive motor, or say pinion, etc. Indirect accuracy obtained is very high, whereas in indirect it is low. And in the direct, about the backlash errors, the axis drive elements, they will not affect the system, whereas this will, in case of indirect, backlash errors will affect the measuring system. And another point between direct and indirect is, say, in case of direct, the cost is little bit high and less convenient, whereas in case of indirect, it's more convenient and less costly. So examples, as also it is given in the slides, say linear scales in case of direct, and indirect encoders and resolvers. And another point is, in case of direct measurement, no error compensation features are available, as it is directly touched, whereas in the indirect, various error compensation features are available. So that is the measurement system. And the next, tool monitoring and gauging. Gauging on the machine tool is used for the inspection purpose, that is, say, for the tool detecting or defining the tool offsets and breakage detection. Gauging means tool monitoring, in the sense, say, it is also a measuring or measurement or observation of the tools, cutting tools, so that for its wear and tear, variations, or in the cutting process alignments, etc.